coordinate plane. In your notebook right now, I want you to title it the coordinate plane. Underneath that, I want you to draw, a horizontal line and then a vertical line. So you end up with this. This is actually what a coordinate plane looks like, and we're going to talk through all of its parts today. Imagine the top surface of your desk stretching in every direction. If you continued to spread, it would go right through your neighbor and then through the classroom walls and through the school and the hills and the mountains and out into space until it went on forever in every direction. Then you'd have a plane. In mathematics, a plane is a flat surface that goes on forever in every direction. Below the coordinate grid, your plane that you drew, skip a couple lines and I want you to write the word plane, and then I want you to write this definition: a flat surface that goes on forever in every direction. Stop the video so you can get that written. In algebra, we often use the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is divided by two number lines. The one is horizontal, like the number line you already know. 0, positives go this way, negatives go this way. The other is vertical, with up being the positive direction and down being the negative direction, like this. So what I want you to do on your coordinate plane you drew is I want you to start going to your right, putting a hash mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get it out to 5. On the left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going down, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Do that now. The coordinate plane is filled with many points. Infinitely many points, and somewhere among all of those points is a point we call the origin. The origin is the point where the two number lines meet. So right now, I want you to put a dot in the middle of your coordinate grid and label it origin. The two number lines have special names. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. So over here, I want you to write x-axis. The vertical number line is called the y-axis, and it's usually labeled up here. So let's label it right now, y-axis. To study a point, we need to know where to find it, so we give it coordinates. Coordinates are like an address. They tell you how to get to a point if you start at the origin. Go below the word plane, and I want you to write the word coordinates and its definition. Coordinates are always written with parentheses, with the x value first. So with your definition, I want you to make this drawing, parentheses x comma y, parentheses. The first one is always your x, the second one is always your y. This is also known as, coordinates are written in parentheses, are also called ordered pairs. So put that next to it. Consider which has the coordinates 4, -2. The first number tells you how far to move along the x-axis, and you can see it's moving 4 times. So the 4 in the 4, -2 says we need to move 4 units to the right. Remember to start at the origin. So we always start here and we moved 4 units to the right. The second number tells you how far to go up or down. The -2 in 4, -2 tells you to move down 2 units. 1, 2. So we put a dot and we label it 4, -2. Oops. To get to the origin from the origin, we don't move at all. So the origin is designated by the ordered pair 0, 0. The two number lines divide the plane into 4 regions. We call these regions quadrants. So go below plane and coordinates and write your word quadrant. Quadrants are 4 regions. Quadrants are labeled with Roman numerals. We always start in this corner with Roman numeral 1. Many people want to start here and go 1, 2, but it actually goes a little bit backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the order of your quadrants. So make sure you have them labeled. Give the coordinates of each point. So here's the first point. What would its ordered pair be, or coordinates be? Well, starting at the origin, I went over 2, and I went up 1, 2, 3. So I want you to put a dot there on yours, and we would label it looking like 2, 3. You need your parentheses. So let's try the next one. Go ahead and put that 1 on your coordinate grid. And how would you label it? Well, I'm going to the left, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going down 2, 1, 2. So it's left 3, down 2, -3, -2. Place that dot on your grid. How did you move? Starting at the origin, you went 2 to the right, so that's a +2, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's a -4. 2, -4. Last one, place that one on your coordinate grid. Write its ordered pair. Well, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and in the positive direction going up 1, so it'd be 5, -5, 1. Billy Bug is his quest for grub. You're going to click on the arrow keys. You can only use the arrow keys on the Chromebook to guide Billy to its coordinates to find the hidden grub. When he arrives, click feed and he will feed himself. How long will it take you to feed Billy 10 times? So don't hit start, go down here, click this link, and it'll send you to this game. So you can hit begin. What you need to do is move the grub to 5, -4. So using your arrows on the Chromebook, I'd move over 5, down 4, and then click feed. Yahoo! When you hear that noise, Yahoo, it means he's found his grub. So I'm going to go back to 0, 0, the origin, and I'm going to go -2, up 4. But I'm going to get it wrong this time. I'm going to go up 3. If you hear,
oh, there's no food here,
means you're in the wrong spot. So try again so you can hear.
Yahoo!
So when you are done playing Billy Bug, you are then going to have a worksheet. Oops, make sure you have those 4 things in your notebook. When you're done playing Billy Bugs 2 times, there's a worksheet you need to get. When you finish the worksheet, I want you to just begin working on Study Island B, the coordinate grid. This is not homework at this time.